Hello, this is Leah from All Things Cards. Today we're going to look at creating a perfect card fold. I don't know about you, but I have the hardest time. When I watch these people, they just take their little score thing, they make their little score mark, and they fold their paper in half, and it's beautiful. But is it? I don't know. I have not been able to do that. I attempt it, but it just doesn't work for me. And it wasn't until I figured out that my paper wasn't exactly 8.5 inches across. That's why mine were not folding properly. I even tried folding. You can see here I tried folding without using anything. And then, what's that gap there? And why is every single card got that gap? I don't know. It took me quite a while to figure it out. And then just by chance, I happened to be looking at the length of the paper and saw that it didn't quite reach 8.5. And then I thought, I wonder how that affects the fold. Well, it does affect the fold. See right there? Just a little smidgen over 8.5. Now I buy the white cards, reflection cardstock from Michael's, the 110 pound. Because I can get it on sale or I can get it with a 50% off coupon. So I'm being thrifty, and it just takes me a little bit of extra work to make my crease down my paper. There, see? Just turn your paper around, do it again, and now you've got two little lines. You can kind of see there's two lines there, and then when you do your folding, it kind of goes in the middle because that little indentation really helps to give you an even fold. Now I push the paper into the corner, both to the left and up. My right hand is pushing left and up, and then I just hold it there and I make my crease mark. And voila, look what I got. They're even. It is so nice to have those two even. I've even gotten to a point where I can do like a production line and get these things just popped out really quick too. I might do a video on that. But I rest the whole thing on my stomach at that point in time, so maybe I won't show that. I don't know. It would take some video editing magic to hide my gut while I show you this. Ooh, look at that one. Almost perfectly 8.5 inches. I think this is reflection craft paper. I've actually stopped using that white part that comes with the scor-pal. Bone folder? I don't know, bone folder. It's not bone, it's plastic. But I have kind of stopped using that one because I guess I pressed down too hard and it's starting to peel. I don't know. It doesn't quite fit into the little ruts. So when you use it, you're pushing it down into the rut. The plastic is kind of rolling back on itself on the part that doesn't quite fit into the rut. You see that little red dot there above the 5.5? Why did I have to put that there, you ask? Well, I ask myself the same thing. Why on earth do I have to put that there? Anyways, I don't understand these manufacturers, designers and manufacturers, who make these things for people who are making cards, and then they don't take into consideration that we're making cards. I mean, like, what is that? If I had an 8.5 by 11 inch piece of paper, then I'm going to need that to go all the way to 11 inches. And then I'm going to need the 5.5 to be a mark, something marked there. They did the 4.25, but they didn't do the 5.5. I really don't understand that. It's just crazy. Poor planning, crazy, short-sightedness. I feel like a thesaurus all of a sudden. but it is really, really irritating. So I put a red dot of something there so that I could find that middle mark when I have the side folding long paper things. Well, I'll let you go now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a perfect fold in your card every time. Please visit us on Facebook at All Things Cards and join our group. We would love to see the projects that you're working on. May God richly bless you and have a great day. Bye-bye.